Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's that time. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild this myself. Actually, it's already done. I ordered a whole new rebuild kit. I installed that. I left the same clutches because they were brand new. It's just the steels that I ordered, and I replaced them because the guy that rebuilt it for me used old steels, so I replaced them with new ones, and they are in there. What else do I have to do here? I just need to put it all back together. But okay, let's try this again. All right, so this video is about the torque converter for the A727 Mopar transmission. So I dropped it off here at this place. It's called Turbine TEK Torque Converters. They are located in 130 Ryerson Ave Wayne, New Jersey. There's their phone number if you need it. They rebuild torque converters. So let's get over there and pick this thing up. Let's take the Mini Cooper for a drive. Push button. This little thing's not bad. It does exactly what I need it to do. Run for parts. Auto parts run. Take it to work. Check it out. It comes with rubber floor mats. These are original. I don't have to buy WeatherTech. Can't speak English either. WeatherTech. Not bad. Got my gym bag in there. See the basketball. All right. Let's go pick up this converter. Okay, we are approaching the building here. It doesn't look like much, but they have a lot of torque converters in there. I don't even see a sign. There's my door, number 8. Let's go inside and check it out. And we are here. Look at that. It's so pretty. Let's check out this place. Nothing but torque converters. Torque converters everywhere. What's the name of this business?
Turbine TEK.
Turbine. And you're the owner, right?
Yeah, for a little while.
Part owner. He's the owner. What's your name?
Julio.
Julio. Pleasure to meet you, Julio. And this is it.
Puerto Ricans are slightly...
He's from PR. Yeah, PR. That's Bad Bunny. Yeah, Super Bowl. There it is. Wow, that's awesome. That looks great. It looks brand new. So tell me, what did you have to do to it?
I had to swap out the stator. Your stator was
Stator? He's going to show us the stator. The stator was bad?
stripped out. It's not locking up.
Okay. And you replaced it with a new one, right?
Yes. Completely different. Cut it down, give you a better stall.
Nice. So it's got a better stall now. So, all right, so fellas, this is the original torque converter that came with that A727. And I did the research on it, and apparently it belongs to a police cruiser, 73. So with a 318, this should be good enough for the 340. But tell me about your place here, bud. This is awesome, bro. Holy smoke! How long you been here?
I've been here 2003.
2003? Really? Wow.
If you want a tour of the place, that's the man you got to talk to right there.
He'll give me a tour? Yeah? Well, I'm sorry. What's his name again?
Jim.
Jim, can you give me a tour of the place?
Sure.
I'll follow you.
All right.
All right, guys, check this out. There are parts everywhere. Look at this. Cut in half. So what do you call this section here?
These are all dampers.
Dampers.
Those have the clutches on them. When the clutches are bad, we just take them here, and then what we do is we refurbish them. We clean them up.
Okay.
We machine the surface on them, and then we'll rough it up.
Okay.
And then we'll put new clutches on.
New clutches. Okay. All right, and then
Right
we'll
here's
move along
where
to
it
this side.
starts. This is where
Okay.
we open the torque converters up on the
Okay.
lathe.
Right.
Once you open it, the guy who opens it will inspect the converter first.
He'll inspect it.
Right.
Okay.
If it's good enough to be rebuilt,
Mm-hmm.
we'll put it through. Then they'll come here and they'll take parts, they'll put them on the table there. The guy
Right.
will scrub them with mineral spirits, and then we'll put them through the parts washer.
Parts washer.
That has about 48 jets in it.
Okay.
That cleans it, recirculates water,
Right. Right.
and we clean them with hot water. Usually we put them through twice, and they come out clean.
Like new.
And there'll be somebody here, they'll take an air hose, they'll blow off all the excess moisture,
Okay.
and then they'll put the parts in different places. The covers go there. We'll put most of the little parts on the table here, and then they'll take the pump, the part
Right.
that goes into the transmission, we'll go over there where we'll polish the neck.
So the internal parts, they get separated into different, let's just
Different
say
groups.
departments or groups.
Right.
Okay, and then everyone does their part, and then it comes back together
Right.
at
Right.
the end over there.
Right on the table there, they'll take everything, they'll assemble it.
Okay.
They'll clean stuff here. We clean all the small parts, the bearings and everything go in here.
What's that? An ultrasonic cleaner. Okay.
Right. And what it does, it pulses and cleans. They also use these to clean jewelry.
Jewelry, right,
clean
right.
Guns,
Okay.
and stuff like that. And clutches, if the clutches are good, they'll go here and they'll
Go in
be
here.
cleaned up here, and they get blown off with mineral spirits.
Mineral spirits. Yeah.
Okay, and then
Wow.
once they have those pieces ready, everything will come here, and the guy will build it right here.
And this is the final build here, and
Right.
then you weld it back together, the two
Right,
halves.
right here, we
Right in this
weld
area.
it.
And that's the machine there.
That welds it, and actually, when they weld it, they'll set it up on the machine, and you have what we call pilots that go on the bottom,
Okay.
and the ones that hold the hub of the converter are called collets.
Okay.
And each converter has its different set.
Right. Right.
And you know by experience what goes where. You put it in the machine, collet goes in the top, pilot goes in the bottom.
And that holds it in place.
That holds everything, and then what we'll do is we'll put in the clearance, how much space we want. We take out, when we build them,
okay.
we take all the clearance out. Everything sits on top of each other.
Right. Right.
And then depending on the converter, the guy will put in the amount of clearance.
Oh, okay. I see. That's something I didn't know. I thought you cut it in half and then you just put it back together and weld it. I was wondering about that. If it takes up, if it takes material away and it just makes it smaller and smaller every time.
Yeah, it does. What'll
Right.
happen after something's built a certain number of times,
Right.
what we'll do is we'll do what we call either a bowl build-up,
Okay.
or we'll add a ring onto it.
Add a ring. Okay.
And then, this
Oh,
way
so
you can
so
build
so
up that
basically
level.
you can just rebuild them over and over again.
Yeah, there's
basically,
a
yeah.
certain amount.
Right,
Mer-
right.
The metal starts getting
Okay.
weak
Right.
and
Right. Right.
a
From
lot
all
of
from all the heat and welding. and water.
imperfections
Right.
and stuff.
Okay.
Okay, and then once it's welded, I'll come here.
We'll move over to this department here.
This is where we'll pressure test the converter right here.
Oh, okay.
So
To
just-
make sure it doesn't leak out.
Right, just like if you have a tire or something, put it in the
Put it
water.
in water, right? If you see bubbles, then we have a leak.
We have a leak, and we'll TIG weld it right here on the machine.
Ah,
Okay?
that's pretty awesome.
Yeah. And then the final stage,
Final stage, guys.
right here, we'll get it and we'll spin it. Make sure you don't hear any noises
Okay.
or anything. Nothing's hitting, nothing irregular. Clean it off, wipe the hub,
Right.
clean out the inside, put a little bit of gel on it in the inside.
In the
of
inside?
hub.
Okay.
And
Okay.
they're also, when they assemble them, they use gel between
Like
the
the-
bearings and everything.
Oh, okay,
One
all right.
has a glue and
So
second
it, so,
has
so,
a
so you don't start it dry until the
You're
fluid.
supposed to put in fluid into the converter,
Right.
and most places don't.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And
Now-
then we'll paint them right here.
Now, do they all get painted the same color?
Yeah,
Yeah?
Yeah.
This way you can identify them as yours?
right.
Nice. Nice. Wow, look at the amount of converters here, guys. This place is awesome.
We have
This
about
place is awesome.
4,000.
4,000 here now?
Yeah, there's up on this level here.
You have more up there? Yeah. Wow. Now people ship these in? Do they ship these in from other parts of the country, or?
We do some of that business. We try to avoid it.
Okay,
because
so this is all mostly Jersey business.
Jersey.
Wow.
And New York.
In New York, okay. Oh wow. Well, thank you very much, man. I appreciate the tour, man. It's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link to your business
Appreciate it.
on my channel, so that if anyone in Jersey needs a torque converter rebuilt, I'm sure a lot of people just go out and buy one. See, I thought about it. I went on Google and I searched for rebuilders of torque converter, and I found you guys.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
because I just didn't want to buy one. I remember purchasing one before, and I got the wrong stall, and we had to replace it again after a year. So
a lot
I'd
of-
rather just have them rebuilt. I'm glad I found you guys.
A lot of guys will go to a transmission shop and they'll,
And then the transmission shop will ship it here.
yeah, well, the transmission shop will call us and we'll do it for them, but
Okay.
you got a middleman, so you
Right, you got to make, so you're paying a little extra. Okay, yeah. So we cut the middleman off.
Yep.
Nice, nice. Well, thank you very much for giving me the tour here. This place is awesome. Cool. I guess I'll be bringing all my torque converters here.
Okay.
Thanks again. All right, guys. I'm gonna pick up this torque converter, get it home, and we'll get started with the install. Okay, we are back with the torque converter. It's in the garage. Check it out. Looking sweet, brand spanking new. Yeah, I'm excited. And the Dart is excited. Finally gonna get a new transmission. You know, there's a 904 in here that was born with this car. It's the one that came with the 273 that was in this vehicle. And I reused it. I knew it wasn't gonna last long. This has a little bit too much torque for that transmission. Plus, it's 1968. It's never been rebuilt, so. But anyway, here's the A727 Torque Flight transmission. Here it is, completely done, except for this lever here that I need to swap out. This is a 3.8, and I believe this is a 2.9, so we're gonna swap that out. It's got all the heavy-duty parts in it, all the parts that he did not install that I purchased. I repurchased them and installed them. Everything is done. I did the Transgo kit myself because, yeah, he didn't do that either. Anyway, I used every single option available for this transmission. So that meant this plate here to drill a hole. I forgot where it's on. It's on the valve body. I swapped out every single spring that needed to be swapped out. Okay, here we go. Here's the valve body. It's all done up. Everything is ready to go. And here is the valve that I swapped. And here are the 3 springs. And the one ball that I left out. I forgot what it's for. I think it's to help it shift harder or something. Not sure. Anyway, doesn't matter. It's going to get done. So, I can't wait. Yeah. Anyway, I think this video's been going on a little bit on the long side. So, I'm going to cut it right here, and hopefully you guys will be back for the rest of the transmission work. I think the next video is going to be about cleaning this up, removing this old paint, and repainting it the color I want, because he painted it, and it doesn't look too good. You see how it looks? It's just it looks horrible. So it's just going to be a little more work to remove this old paint and get it nice and clean and paint it the color I like. So anyway, folks, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you come back for more. We'll see you soon. Bye.